All right, ladies and gentlemen, just wanted to come back on to discuss the Mesoscale Discussion number 448 that has been issued. It is valid until 4:15 p.m. and a severe thunderstorm watch has been issued. This is due to the mixed layer CAPE values from the RAP mesoanalysis are generally ranging from 1,000 to 1,500 joules per kilogram. This is sufficient for robust updraft development, particularly where cloud breaks and insulation have steepened lapse rates. Effective bulk shear across the region ranges from 40 to 55 knots. This is supportive of organized storm modes, including supercells and bowing segments. Surface observations reveal dew points in the mid 50s to the lower 60s, which, while modest, are being maximized by localizing pulling and upslope flow in parts of the terrain influence zones near Charleston and Beckley, West Virginia. The LCL heights are relatively low, as evidenced by cloud bases and relative humidity profiles, enhancing the efficiency of downward momentum transfer and damaging wind potential. The hazards with this are damaging wind gusts from 65 to 80 miles per hour. The primary hazard associated with maturing convection will be widespread damaging wind potential, especially with clusters or QLCS segments forming along the front and surging eastward. Large hail will range from 1.5 inches to 2.5 inches in diameter. This is due to the enhanced mid-level lapse rates and rotating updrafts in discrete supercell structures. This would yield pockets of very large hail, particularly in areas like eastern Kentucky and central West Virginia, where instability may locally spike. And the tornado risk, 85 to 115 mile per hour isolated potential. So while this is not the dominant threat, an embedded tornado threat does exist, particularly where low-level storm relative velocity values are locally enhanced by terrain-inducing channeling or mesoscale boundaries. Areas near Huntington, Elkins, and Parkersburg may see enhanced spin-ups, especially in isolated supercells, forming ahead of the main convective line. As the cold front continues pressing eastward, storm coverage will increase rapidly from southern Indiana and central Kentucky into Ohio and West Virginia. Expects the watch issuance, which it has already been issued, which likely will include portions of eastern Kentucky, southern Ohio, West Virginia, and western Virginia. The HRRR and RAP guidance suggests convective initiation within the next 1 to 2 hours, with storms becoming severe soon after initiation. Also, let's consider the low cloud cover. Some stratus and mid-level debris clouds exist across southern Ohio, which could locally inhibit insulation. However, rapid clearing and differential heating zones are already evident along and south of the Ohio River, creating an environment prime for convective development. We also have topography influence, so the Appalachian terrain will enhance local convergence and low-level helicity, contributing to storm intensification in zones such as Beckley, Bluefield, and Charleston, West Virginia. We also have a negatively tilted mid to upper level trough over the Midwest, which is rapidly amplifying, aiding ascent through deep layer Q vector convergence and mid-level cooling. This will bolster storm organization and increase coverage. Bottom line, folks, a severe thunderstorm watch has been issued. Communities within the blue outline area, including Charleston, Huntington, Portsmouth, Parkersburg, Pikeville, and Elkins, should be prepared and potentially for damaging thunderstorms capable of producing hail, destructive winds, and isolated strong tornadoes. Please ensure that your NOAA weather radios are powered on and your mobile alerts are activated. I'm Zach. Stay safe, stay sharp, and stay ahead of the storm.